Hi, this is about using expanding foam on a tyre with an inner tube. This wheel comes off my Toro zero-turn mower. Now I don't know why they use tubeless tyres in the first place, because they're hopeless. When I go to the Toro supplier and ask for a solid wheel, they don't say they've got one for my model. So I have replaced both front tyres with tubes. The other one has been good for at least a year and not giving problems. This one, I'm up to my third tube, and I tend to get not sort of holes but splits, a bit less than an inch long, 3 times, and not explained, except I suspect that the Chinese synthetic rubber they use for inner tubes is substandard. So what I've done is I've got one of my grandchildren's flavoured straws, and I've fitted it to the valve, and the fitting that comes with the expanding foam fits fairly neatly inside that. Expanding foam is really a liquid, and it's pressurized, so it doesn't expand. But if I put this into a inner tube, there's 2 issues. First of all, once the pressure gets high, it's going to stay as a liquid. And secondly, I believe that the foam needs air to help the expansion. So I'm going to do it gradually. I've got an air compressor standing by, and I'm going to put some foam in, and I'm going to pump some air in, put some foam in, pump some air in, put some foam in, pump some air in, and let's see what happens. By the way, my workbench is an old barbecue gas burner with a piece of very solid weatherproof ply on top, and I fitted a vise to it. Now it's just sitting here fairly loosely in the vise, and I've got the valve side up, so that gravity should help the foam to flow down to the rest of the tyre. This is my flavoured straw. I stick this in. Put some air in. Try the foam again. Okay, that was a fail. I couldn't get the foam to go into the inner tube, so I drilled a hole in the tyre, and now the foam is going to go between the tyre and the tube. So I've drilled the second hole and I keep putting foam in. I have to move it around. I didn't video some of my fails, but I've managed to get this foam into the tyre and also into the tube. And pressure wise it's feeling reasonable. So the next step is to clean this up and put it on the mower and give it a test. I just add that this foam is really messy stuff. It's sticky. I've got mess here, mess there. You know, it's on my fingers and hard to remove.